Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. This video is about the power of discipline because most people don't understand it or how it works. But here's the thing, out of the thousands of principles that we can practice and out of the thousands of things we can do in our lives, discipline is one of the key principles to live by because all successful people have discipline. They have extreme self-discipline, and all unsuccessful people have no control over their behaviors and over their appetite. And so I've experienced this in my life in many instances, but one that is lodged in my memory was my ability to conjure and to attract something I didn't want. So I wasn't controlling my behaviors. I wasn't controlling my appetite. And so I was in a position where I could keep moving up and I was going to generate more income for me and my family, but I had some doubt and fear in my mind. And so I'm in a position, I'm a contractor for a large telecom company, and I'm in a position to move up, but yet I'm doubting and fearing, and I'm not controlling, I'm not disciplining my thinking. And because I didn't discipline my thinking, invariably what happened was I didn't get my contract renewed. I feared that it wasn't going to be renewed. It's exactly what happened. So here's what successful people do. Successful people are very focused on their most important tasks. They focus their time and attention on their most important tasks, and that's what they focus on most of the days, or almost all of their days. And here's what happens when you do that. You actually crowd out all of the unimportant tasks. You crowd out what's not significant. And just by doing that, you become more disciplined. In fact, the beauty of this is discipline can be learned. It's something that can be learned. It doesn't have to be born inside of you. You can learn it. And when you do learn it, and when you do start practicing it, then things start to get better and better for you. And you end up becoming powerful. You have power over your own behaviors, over your own decisions, over your own appetite, because successful people focus on what they want, not on what they don't want. And they don't just let their day go wherever and react to the circumstances that are coming at them. They have proactive lives. They focus their attention. It's focused attention. And not only that, it's focused attention over long periods of time. The most successful people have focused on things for thousands of hours without any appreciation, without anything that value that tells them they're on the right path. They moved ahead with focused discipline, and they kept going until they achieved their goal. And that's the quality that you need. And if you can develop that, you can have what I call a PhD, pig-headed discipline. And so it takes that kind of focus to have the things that you want in life. And oftentimes without any indication that you're on the right path and without any appreciation from anyone, anytime. So if you can handle delayed gratification, then you can develop a PhD, pig-headed discipline. So if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, head over there and check it out. I have other videos like this that will help you become your highest and best self. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video.